Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. No-Maddz to present Heaven on Earth. The album launch for Walshy Fire presents the No-Maddz Heaven on Earth. The second album from reggae dub act No-Maddz was held recently at Epicon in Kingston. Group members Sheldon Shepherd and Everaldo Crary shared the inspiration for the album's title.
It's about living in your now. It's about creating that universe that you like for yourself and dwelling in it. So it's the same idea of being the change you wish to see. Because we complain about things a lot, but some of the same things we complain about, we indulge in it. You know what I mean? So we're adding to it. So if you really want to create an heaven on earth, you have to, within yourself, you have to understand what is heaven to you. You know what I mean? And then manifest that through your entire being in the present.
A short film will also accompany the album.
The short film is also called Heaven on Earth, and it will see us playing characters in this film, portraying the get up and do something idea.
They also gave kudos to some of the producers who worked on the album.
For big up to the wizard, the works that she put on it, and we have to big up to Kino from Mountain Lion Music, big up J-Jam Studio, you know what I mean? Them Try Baker. With the dead with Try is a wicked, beautiful youth. He's young, but he have a good energy with some of these beats, him solid energy. So look out for him.
The 11-track album was co-produced by Major Laser's Walshy Fire, who outlined what it was like working with a dynamic duo.
It's been excellent. Have to big up Wiz as well, because Wiz is actually the person that really sit up on the boards on producer things. It's a joy, man. It's a weird time in Jamaica right now, The youth are doing some things that I don't think are easily labeled, and No-Maddz are one of those people, and at the end of it you just have to say that's No-Maddz.
The release date for the album has not yet been announced, but No-Madd's next performance is at the Sierra Nevada World Music Festival in California this summer. Boo, 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 boo. Protege Lila Ike and Agent Sasko declare not another word. Grammy-nominated artist Protege today released his first new music since his acclaimed 2018 album, A Matter of Time. The newest single, Not Another Word, sees Protege and Agent Sasko collaborating on a song for the first time to deliver hard-hitting lyrics, highlighting societal issues and incidents while issuing a rallying cry for a new level of social consciousness. The chorus, delivered by Indignation Collective singer Lila Ike, softly complements the lyrical punchlines whilst urging the call to action to do better. Produced by Zion I Kings and released by Indignation Collective, Easy Star Records, Not Another Word is available across all streaming platforms. Meanwhile, Protege hits the road next month for his tour of the United States and Europe, with stops at California Roots Music Festival, Summer Jam Festival, and a string of dates with reggae rock music band Revolution. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.